How can I help you?
Yeah, can I have a number one small size with a diet? And that'll be it. When you're ordering garbage fast food, always make sure you get a diet. Because you don't want to get too fat, right?
Big Mac medium diet?
Yep.
There you go, you have a great day.
Thank you. So I'm sure a majority of you guys are used to getting these greasy fast food lunches just because they're hot and it's easier because you're running from job to job. You're probably hustling, working your butt off. But I got something the other day that's going to be a game changer for me. And I figure, why not? I share it with you guys. Maybe you guys would like it. Maybe you guys want to use one. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, guys. Here's what I got. It is a 12-volt portable stove. And I am going to plug it into my truck and warm up my lunch as I'm driving to my next job. Now, I have no affiliation with this company. This was actually just a Christmas gift. Shout out to you, Mom and Dad. Thanks. I mean, truck drivers have been using these for years. So I figure, you know, what the heck, why don't I give it a shot? Because in the wintertime, my meals are just freezing cold. At best, if I put them under my seat or next to the heat vent, I can warm them a little tiny bit between jobs, but it's not really enjoyable. As we drive, what I'm going to do, if I can get the packaging off this thing, as we drive, I'm going to sort of monitor the temperature. I might hook up my K-type thermocouple to it. Let's see. It's got a nice, like a, feels like a ceramic bottom to it almost. Remove before use. Good idea. Let's see, this looks like our plug is in there. Hey, look at that. There it is. It's even got a little fuse. All right, guys. Well, so I double checked the instructions, the manual that came with it. There's nothing that says you shouldn't put plastic containers inside this. However, it does say it gets up to 300 degrees inside, so I will not be putting plastic containers inside of it because that would be stupid. All right, our little red light is on. We're at 87, 88 degrees and climbing. So let's hit the road and see if this thing actually lives up to the hype. See if it does get up to 300 degrees inside there. Well, guys, we've been driving for about 10, maybe 15 minutes at the most, and we're up to almost 165 degrees. It's been about 25, 30 minutes, and we're up to 192 degrees. 45 minutes in, and we are over 200 degrees. We're at 202. All right, it's been just over an hour. We're at 210 degrees. It's been an hour and a half since I initially plugged in my little portable stove, and we're at 212 degrees. All right, just for giggles here, let's take some random measurements of the box. Top is 90. The base is about 130. Yeah, it feels pretty warm to the touch. Got steam coming out of there. Yeah, that plate's getting about 300 degrees. I am in no way affiliated with the manufacturer of this cheeseburger. That thing looks pretty warm. steaming, bro. About 180 degrees. Alright guys, so there's my little review of this portable stove that I got. And again, I have no affiliation with this company. It's just a fun little experiment I wanted to try to see if it actually did heat up the way it said it heated up. It didn't do too bad. I would imagine you probably could cook some food in it. It might take a little while, but as you saw, it did get up to 300 degrees, so, I mean, that's not terrible, right? But anyway, guys, that's all for now, right? I'll see you on the next one. Go ahead and like and subscribe for me. Also, leave me some feedback. If you guys ever use one of these portable stoves, or even the opposite of these, I know there's little portable coolers that you can use that keep your food cool in the summertime without the use of ice packs. So, give me some feedback. Let me know what you guys use. Let me know how you guys deal with eating on the road and, you know, trying to keep your food at a safe temperature, or a warm temperature even. Nobody wants to eat frozen lunches all the time, am I right? I know. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, alright? Go ahead and like and subscribe for me, will ya?